Hello friends, Craig and Nicole here from Columbia Machine. Today we're here to introduce you to our new big board mold inspection device. This innovative device was designed to help improve product quality as well as efficiency in your operation by allowing your plant personnel to easily and safely inspect mold bottoms and tamper heads before they ever go into the production machine. Before the product demonstration, let's dive into some key aspects of this device. Robust bolted and welded construction able to support a mold bottom or tamper head up to 5,500 pounds or 2,500 kgs. The device allows you to perform inspections and repairs ergonomically with a 180-degree rotation capability. Safety is key here with hard stops at each of the ends of the 180-degree rotation. Mold bottom and tamper head can only be inserted from the front of the unit as there is a hard stop in the rear. Because of the rotation hard stops, mold bottoms or tamper heads can never reach a negative angle where they can slide out of the cradle. Screw clamps for each of the mold wings or adapter plate add an extra layer of security in clamping. This unit features a braking gear motor and gearbox for added levels of safety. Unit operates with single-phase 110-volt VAC power source. You can easily switch between mold bottoms and tamper heads using the convenient adapter plate. Operates safely and confidently with two-handed control panel. Forklift slots at the base of the mold inspection device allow for ease of portability. Please note, for demonstration purposes, we have no guarding or portable curtains. Please take appropriate steps in your facility to ensure safe operation of this device. For best results, use a pallet underneath the mold bottom to raise it into position. Use screw clamps to secure the mold bottom into the device in two places. Now let's inspect. First, we'll inspect the mold wings for wear or damage. Next, we'll inspect the frame for wear and damage. Finally, we can inspect the mold cavities for wear. Please note, the device can also be used for mold bottom cleanup as well. This unit is not equipped with a washdown panel or gearbox, but these upgrades are available. Once inspection of the mold bottom is complete, unlock the screw clamps in two places and remove the mold bottom. Okay, now let's review how to install the tamper head adapter plate for airbag style head clamping. First, using the forklift slots, install the head adapter plate onto the tamper head, trying to center the adapter on the head as best as possible. Using an air or manual ratchet with 20mm socket, snug up the clamping pucks in 4 places. Once the adapter plate is secure, insert the tamper head into the inspection device. Then, use the screw clamps to secure the tamper head into the device in 2 places. Now we're ready to inspect. First, we want to inspect the tamper head frame for cracks, wear, and damage. Then, let's inspect the head legs for cracks, wear, and damaged bolts. Finally, let's inspect the mold shoes for wear or chips. As a reminder, this unit is not equipped with a washdown panel or gearbox, but these upgrades are available. Once the inspection is complete, unlock the screws and remove the tamper head. Finally, let's show how this same adapter plate can be used on a Mazda pin-style tamper head. Using the forklift slots, install the head adapter plate onto the tamper head by sliding the head pins into the adapter plate slot. Slide the pin locking lever clamps to the locked position in 2 places. Finally, insert the tamper head into the inspection device just as we had done for the airbag style tamper head. Thank you for watching this product showcase. If you'd like some further information on this device, please go to columbiamachine.com or simply reach out to your Columbia sales rep or Columbia Mold account manager. Thank you again.